Guys, I'm in Yonkers, New York at a restaurant, and I have to go inside and clean some ductless units. We've never been here before, but I'll see if I can get some footage when I'm inside. I hope all is well. Today is August 1st, 2022. So that'll be cool. Another month or two in summer, and then start up with the winter. All right, let's go inside. Talk about Shungad. Wow. Okay, we killed power outside. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna pull the whole panel off. This stuff's a dream. I'm gonna remove this. Pull the pan down, clean underneath in here.
Right here.
Sit it. Look.
You have a channel.
Got grease? Bro. So we have that coil cleaner working on there. You have it on, turned on? Right there? Okay. A little more? Yeah. test the drain. So I had to remove these two screws here to pull this out. You have to give this kind of a lift right here, pull it down. And now we're gonna go outside and clean the jacket to it. All right guys, so I made a hot water solution, very hot water, with about this much, there's no science to it, about this much of Hvac Plus into the water. And you can see the cooking grease on these filters. So I don't just place them in the water. If you place them in the water, nothing happens. But what I do is I kind of simulate like a dishwasher. And I go like that to really move the dirt. And then I'll flip them. Same thing. And then I'll let them soak for a while. So I'm gonna do it with all the filters. We're gonna clean this bad boy up. Sun God. Shit's broken. Let's see how this shit looks. Not that bad. This was just filter water though. Watch your knees, bro. I don't know what that shit is. It looks like he taped it at one time.
Done up top?
No, we didn't even get out. It started there. One-handed. Dude, this fucking place is disgraziad. Connect this hose to the other. So I got to get up onto the roof for the outdoor coil. Yo, how you doing? Oh yeah, sexy. All right, we're gonna run this guy. You good down there?
Yeah.
You got the other two cleaned?
Yeah.
Alright guys, they're all set. So there was 3 heads there. 3 ductless heads. I only showed 1. So 3 ductless heads. I only showed 1. He was in a pizza place in Yonkers and basically had to tear all 3 of those guys apart like that. Actually, I think I showed the last clip, or one of the clips of the vacuum. That was on one of them. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate everything. And take care.